In this video, I'm going to show you how to export chat history on Telegram. To start with, make sure you have the Telegram desktop app installed on your PC. Once it's installed, connect it to your Telegram mobile app. After connecting, open the chat that you want to export. Click on the chat and then look at the top right corner for the three dots. Click on that. From the drop-down, click on Export Chat History. Now you'll see several options. You can choose what type of data to export, like photos, videos, voice messages, and video messages. You'll also see a size limit option. You can adjust this by sliding the bar to the right. This means any file larger than the limit won't be included in the export. For example, I'll set the size limit to 90 MB. Once you've made your selections, click on Export. Now it starts exporting. This process may take a little while, so be patient. Once the export is complete, click on Show My Data. And here is your exported chat history. I'll open it now. As you can see, the chat is saved and viewable. And that's how you export your chat history on Telegram.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.